An American preacher visited France for a pastor's conference, and in every restaurant he visited, had to order spaghetti only because the menu were only written in French, which he did not understand. After 7 days, he still continued to eat spaghetti even though he longed for something that comes from a cow. Until you learn the language and begin to understand it, you will never step out into abundance of success surrounding you, but continue to stay right in the exact same position, even though you wish for better. Welcome to Success Digest, where we simplify and discuss those ingredients needed for your financial abundance, for your financial wellness, and live a happy life. If you are hearing me for the first time on this platform, you are welcome, and thank you for your continued listening if it is not your first time. Today, we are discussing on the topic, understanding the language of success. Understanding the language of success. Success, as you know, is an attainment of a set objective, the achievement of a goal or purpose. It is an event that accomplishes its intended objective. It is also a state of prosperity or fame. On the other hand, to understand it to grasp a concept fully and thoroughly. All of us share something in common, and that is a desire to be successful. We want to be free from wants, to live in fine houses, to drive fine cars, to wear designers' clothes, eat good food, and to send our children to the best school. Majority of us fail to achieve all this because we have absolutely no idea how to make our dreams come true. Success is knowing your purpose in life, growing to reach your maximum potential, and sowing seeds that benefit others. It is not magic or geniuses that you do not possess. Each individual is blessed with a specific talent or tools necessary to create a magnificent life, but we do not realize our talents or how to use them rightly. What good are those talents when we do not realize that you have them or know how to use them? Those dreams and aspirations that we have must manifest in our lives and become true before we can claim to achieve success. Make no mistake about this. Your success and happiness depend on what you contribute and not what you receive. It is your self-esteem. Life is a journey which each one of us must embark upon on our own. Unless we have learned from those who have successfully completed their journey before us, we are likely to face some obstacles and overcome on our own Goliath to defeat. There are some special group of people who had passed on, but they left behind priceless legacies for all of us to share. They left behind them examples, actions, and words which had enabled them to fulfill their mission of living good and fruitful life despite all sorts of obstacles and handicaps. We must learn from them because they are our teachers, they are our friends whose principles for success and happiness are useful and relevant for achieving our goals and mission. Our success, our happiness, or anything we truly want for our life have to begin with unwavering, non-negotiable desire, commitment, and persistence. Without this, we cannot withstand or overcome the tests that we put in our way to not only see how we really want it, but also to help us appreciate what we have once we get them. Because it is through the test that we discover ourselves and our purpose in life, which is what we're really looking for to begin with. On the menu, which the waiter gave the American preacher who visited France without understanding French that I mentioned earlier on, was the opportunity to have all the food his heart desired. The waiter even went through the entire menu, but in French. So he was not limited by what he had, but limited by his understanding of what was said. So also is the menu of life success. There's abundance opportunity for us to have all our heart's desire. Nature gave us the opportunity to order the abundance of life, but since we don't have the understanding, we continue staying right in the exact same position, even though we wish for better. We therefore need to understand the language of success and be able to enjoy the abundance already placed on earth here by our Creator. It is time we begin to learn the language of success so we can begin to order all our hopes and dreams from the menu of life. Get wisdom, but above all, get understanding. Come and talk to us in Kenny's Consult Limited and allow us to discuss with you more ingredients needed for your financial wellness, your financial independence, and continue to live a happy life. Thank you for traveling with us together on this our journey of success through the path of wisdom. To be informed is to be transformed, and not to be informed is to be deformed. My name is Kayode Eniraito, and I can be reached on 074 279 42000 or 07951 7755. Or better still, visit our website kennysconsultlimited.uk. kennysconsultlimited.uk. Enjoy your success.